How to change your region or country on Instagram. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. To check that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you'll need to launch it. Now you'll need to convert your account to the professional account. For that, navigate to your profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Scroll down and head over to the option Account Type and Tools. Now click on the option Switch to Professional Account and go through the process. Make sure you have switched to the business account. Once you do that, you can head back to your profile page. Click on the option Edit Profile. Now scrolling down, you're going to find the section Public Business Information. Click on the option Contact Options. Now from here, you are able to add the location. Firstly, type in your email address, phone number. Likewise, you can enable or disable audio calling. Then here, type in your street address, city or town and zip code. This will be added to your profile page. So this way you can easily change your region or country on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.